Alrighty, so I want to make a video today to talk about the importance of doing maintenance on your air conditioning unit. I am at a local convenience store on the roof. As you can see, I'm pretty high up here, but I had to use my extension ladder to get up here. But this is for somebody that never gets up on their roof, never checks their air conditioning unit. So someone asked me the other day, so why would I do maintenance on my air conditioning unit? So, well, why do you do maintenance on your car? You change the oil every 3,000 miles. You change the air filter in it. You put fuel injector cleaner in it. I mean, you basically do maintenance on your car to help prevent costly repairs and to keep it running smoothly, to save yourself money, to make it work well. Well, most of these air conditioning units are located on the roof. They're kind of an afterthought. People forget to change the air filters on them. People forget to change the belts on them. And most importantly, cleaning out the condenser on it. So I've already started cleaning the condenser on this one. We're going to give it just another minute here. I want to talk about the blower belt for just a second. Blower belt's located inside of this compartment here. I do have the unit off. This blower belt here should be relatively tight. If we look, I can do that. Never a good thing. What that is going to do is, well, it's going to lower the efficiency of the unit. I got a brand new belt here, and all belt sizes are a little bit different. Just because you have a York unit like this one here doesn't mean it takes one size belt. But we're going to put this belt on here. Doesn't take long to do, but I recommend having a professional do it. And then look at this. Going to move much more airflow now. Unit's going to be a lot more efficient. Okay, so I've already started cleaning the condenser, and you asked me what the condenser is. Well, your refrigerant lines will run through here. This is basically the same thing as a residential unit, your unit at your house. It's just a little bit different of style of a unit, but you have your condenser fins here. As you can see, they're slotted. You got your fans up top. What happens is when the air conditioning unit comes on, those fans come on. The fans bring in air through the condenser coil. What that does is it removes heat. It takes that heat and exhausts it out the top. When this air conditioning unit gets dirty, what happens is it does not remove as much heat. When you're not removing as much heat, your run times are significantly longer. Your air conditioning unit's under a lot more stress, and your utility bills go way up. The reason they invented programmable thermostats is so your air conditioning unit isn't running at times to when you're not home or not available to help save you money. Well, what's the point of having a programmable thermostat if your unit's running all the time anyway? So I've already started cleaning half this coil, and I used a special cleaner on it. What it does is I spray it on with my pump sprayer. It penetrates through the condenser coil. The coil is roughly a couple inches thick, and then it starts to foam out. As it foams out, it starts pushing up all this dirt. Now the cleaner I got, put it on with a pump sprayer. It's yellow when it goes on. It is a special cleaner. It's not something you could buy at a local hardware store. You have to be a licensed service technician to do it. If you are able to get some, I still recommend having someone professionally do it for you. It's very nasty stuff. You get it on your hands, it burns, you get it in your eyes. You don't want it blowing in the wind. You don't want it getting on somebody else. You don't want it getting on your car. It's really, really nasty stuff. Anyway, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start hosing this thing out. Like I said, I've already only done this half. I haven't cleaned this half yet, and as you can see, it really doesn't look all that dirty. But this roof was clear before I started cleaning it, and I got all this black stuff here now. This is all stuff that came out of the condenser. So we're gonna start cleaning this thing off, and what we're gonna look at is the water that's starting to come out of this thing. As you can see, it's extremely brown. Looks like I'm going to be cleaning this one for a while. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm cleaning this, so now the airflow is going to be able to penetrate through the condenser coil. It's going to be exhausted out the top much easier. So we're going to remove a lot more heat, hence making this unit significantly more efficient. I'd have to say, I think I cleaned this unit about a year ago, and it's already this dirty. There is a local bar and grill right down the street. What happens is with their exhaust fans, all the food that they cook, that grease is thrown up in the air, it's exhausted out, and then that grease is sucked into the condenser coil here. That's why this one's a little bit dirtier than some of the other ones. But anyway, again, this is on a roof, so this unit is kind of an afterthought to the customer. You know, I'm trying to make everybody a little more aware of how we can save some money. If you are interested in having your air conditioning unit maintained, please call Just Ice Refrigeration at 618-789-2855, and we'll get you taken care of. Thank you.